Students, in the last class, exercise 4.3, 16, 17 sums completed. Now write down problem number 18 in 4.3. Okay na? So this is the problem in 4.3. Problem number 18. Write down problem and draw the diagram neatly. And read the problem and observe the diagram. Okay na? So diagram plays an important role in geometry part. Write the problem first. What is there in the problem? In the adjacent figure, so diagram is there. AB parallel CD. This is AB line. This is AB line. It is parallel to CD line. Next, find the values of X, Y, Z. So three angles we need to find out. What is given? AB is parallel to CD. And what to find out? X value, Y value, Z value. And observe the angles in the diagram. What are the angles in the diagram? X 70, X 90 degrees, Y Z. So they are the angles in the diagram. Okay na? And what are the letters in the diagram? A, B, C, D, some P. Some P is there at top. Top of the diagram P is there. And three angles we need to find out. X, Y, Z. Two lines are parallel to each other. AB parallel to CD. So generally, when two lines are parallel to each other, we think about transversal. Okay na? So whenever we are talking about parallel lines, we talk about transversal also. So what is given, right? We need to find out X value, Y value, Z value in the diagram. X value, first part of the problem. Y value, second part of the problem. Z value, third part of the problem. So like that, divide the problem into some parts. Okay na? So write what is given first. Given. What is given? So what is given? AB parallel CD. This is the information given. Two straight lines are there. They are parallel to each other. So given AB parallel CD. First part of the problem. We need to find out X value in the first part. In the second part, we need to find out Y value. In the third part, we need to find out Z value. There ends the problem. Okay now. So see the first part of the problem. See the diagram. At E, see the point. What are the angles at E? First angle X, second angle 70, third angle X. All three together they form protractor shape. Okay na? Three angles are there at E. At E, X 70, X total protractor shape means it is 180. From the diagram, so from the diagram, total angle at E equal to 180. How it is known to you? How it is known to you it is 180? Because all three together protractor shape. So from the diagram, total angle at E equal to 180. Reason? Protractor shape. Remember, protractor shape means it is 180. So from the diagram, it is important. Total angle at E equal to 180. What are the angles at E? Tell me what are the angles at E? First one X. Total three angles are there. Second one 70. Third one X equal to 180. All three angles together 180 because protractor shape. Add X, 2X plus 70 equal to 180. 2x plus 70 equal to 180. Then what is the next step? Plus 70 is moving to right side. Plus 70 becomes minus 70. So 2x equal to 180 minus 70. What is 2x value? 180 minus 70. Then 2x equal to, let us do subtraction, 110 degrees. 2x equal to 110 degrees. Then what is x value? X equal to 110 by 2. cancellation, x equal to 55 degrees. So first part of the problem completed. What is the first part of the problem? Finding x. From the diagram, total angle at E equal to 180. It is very clear to you. There, protractor shape is there. So, what are the angles at E? First angle x, second angle 70, third angle x equal to 180. Add 2x plus 70 equal to 180. Plus 70 is moving to right side, becomes minus 70. 2x equal to 110. X equal to 110 by 2. X equal to 55. First part of the problem completed. Now, second part of the problem. X value 55. In second part of the problem, I want to find out y value. In second part of the problem, I want to find out y value. Second part, finding y value. You think like that. Finding y value is second part. So see the diagram. Triangle PAE. Triangle PAE. PAE is a triangle. What is PAE? Triangle. PAE is a triangle. What are the angles in the triangle? X, 90, Y. They are the angles in the triangle. First angle X, second angle 90, third angle Y. They are the angles in the triangle. Then what we apply? Angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of the three angles 180. So from triangle PAE, sum of the three angles equal to 180. This is angle sum property, you know. Sum of the three angles 180. So what are the angles? First angle X, then second angle 90 degrees, then third angle Y degrees equal to 180. What are the angles in the triangle? X, 90, Y. Altogether 180. Angle sum property. Then X how much? 55. Just now completed. X value 55 plus 90 plus Y equal to 180. 55 plus 90 plus Y equal to 180. Addition. 145 plus Y equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 145. 180 minus 145. So Y equal to 35 degrees. So Y value 35. See second part again. What is the second part? PAE is a triangle. Sum of the three angles 180. First angle X, second angle 90, third angle Y equal to 180. X how much? 55 plus 90 plus Y equal to 180. 55, 90 how much? 145 plus Y equal to 180. 145 is moving to right side. Y equal to 180 minus 145. Y value 35. So second part of the problem completed. Now see the third part of the problem. What is the third part? Finding Z value. What is the third part of the problem? Finding Z value. Finding Z value belongs to third part of the problem. What is the third part of the problem? Find out Z value. Now AB parallel CD. See the diagram. AB parallel CD. Then automatically we think about transversal. What is the transversal here? CE is a transversal. CE is a transversal. AB parallel CD, comma CE is a transversal. Now see the angles. What are the angles? X degrees, Z degrees. X interior angle, Z interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal. Automatically they are supplementary because the lines are parallel to each other. So x degrees plus z degrees equal to 180. Reason. What is the reason? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on x degrees plus z degrees equal to 180. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. What is x value? 55 degrees plus z degrees equal to 180 degrees. So z degrees 55 is moving to right side. Z degrees equal to 180 minus 55. So z degrees equal to 125. Z equal to 125. So x value 55, y value how much? 35, z value 125. Write down next problem. Problem number 19. So what is problem number 19? So problem number 19. In each of the following figures, AB parallel CD, find the values of x in each case. Three diagrams are there. So I am drawing all the three diagrams. First one, so second one, third one, so they are the diagrams. The problem. In every problem, we need to find out x value. First diagram. What are the angles in the first diagram? X 104, 116. What are the angles in the second diagram? X 35, 65. What are the angles in the third diagram? 35, x 75. So we need to find out x value in each and every problem. What is given? AB is parallel to CD, and arrow mark means the lines are parallel to each other. Remember. So what is given? Right solution. Given AB parallel CD. This is the information given. AB parallel CD. First diagram solution. Okay na? AB parallel CD. What are the angles in the diagram? X 104, 116. They are the angles in the diagram. Okay na? So by using three angles, find out x value. AB parallel CD. First one solution. So to find out x value, through E, draw a line EF parallel to AB and CD. So construction through E through E, draw EF. Draw EF. It is parallel to AB and CD also. Construction, just like construction to find out the value of X. Through E, okay na? Draw EF parallel to AB and CD. Then the total angle is divided into two parts. First part is small a, second part is small b. The total angle X is divided into two parts. First part is small a, second part is small b. That is our assumption. So what is the construction? Through E, draw EF. It is parallel to both AB and CD. Because of EF, the total angle at E, it is divided into two parts. First part is A, second part is B. Okay na? Now see the diagram. AB parallel EF. Diagram. AB parallel EF, comma AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. AB parallel EF, comma AE is a transversal. Then what are the angles? Small a, it belongs to EF plus 104. Small a plus 104. Small a, interior angle, 104, interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal. Supplementary, you know the reason. Equal to 180. Reason, you know, interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So small a equal to 180 minus 104. Small a equal to 180 minus 104. Small a equal to 76 degrees. So through E, draw EF parallel to AB and CD. From the diagram, AB parallel EF, comma AE is a transversal. Small a plus 104 equal 180. Write the reason in bracket. Small a value 76. Similarly, find out small b also in the first part. Small b also find out. Okay na? So from the diagram, EF parallel CD. EF parallel CD, comma CE is a transversal. CE is a transversal. EF parallel CD, comma CE is a transversal. Again, B plus 116 equal to 180. Same reason. Write the same reason in brackets. 116 is moving. B equal to 180 minus 116. B equal to 64. So what is B value? 64. From the diagram, EF parallel CD, comma CE is a transversal. B plus 116 equal to 180. B value 180 minus 116. B value 64. What is X? Small a plus small b. What is small a? 76 plus what is small b? 64. Add 140 in the first diagram. Okay na? Now second one. Second diagram. First diagram completed. Second diagram. So what is there in the second diagram? What is there in the second diagram? Through E again, same construction, same. Draw a line parallel to CD and it is parallel to AB also. So second diagram solution, same matter. Through E, draw EF parallel to AB and CD. Parallel to AB and CD. It is this angle, exterior angle. It is divided into two parts: small a, small b. Small a, small b. Okay na? So AB Find A value and B value. See the diagram. CD parallel EF. CD parallel EF, comma CE is a transversal. CD parallel EF, comma CE is a transversal. Then what are the angles? Small a equal to 35. Small a how much? 35. How it becomes 35? Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Okay na? Small a 35. Interior alternate angles. Similarly, AB parallel EF, comma AB parallel EF, AB parallel EF, comma AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. Then what is small b? Again it is 65. Again it is 65. So interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angle. Small a how much? 35. Small b how much? 65. X equal to small a plus small b. 35 plus 65. How much? 100. This is second part. Second diagram. Third diagram. Again, draw a line parallel. This is small a, this is small b. Okay na? From the diagram, you can write directly. From the diagram, small a plus 35 equal to 180. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Small a how much? 180 minus 35. Small a how much? 145. Similarly, small b plus 75 equal to 180. Write the same reason. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Small b how much? 180 minus 75. Small b equal to 105. Okay na? Then what is x value? Small a plus small b. Small a how much? 145 plus small b how much? 105. Total it is 250. X equal to 250. Okay na? So in the next class we start exercise 4.4. Thank you students.